Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a home button to Chrome. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Browser home pages have been replaced, usually with new tab pages that show you pages you recently or commonly browsed. If you use one site a lot, too, you may still want a single button that brings you back. Chrome doesn't feature the home button by default anymore, but by rummaging through its settings, you can bring it back. So how to do it? It's very simple. First of course, you have to open your Google Chrome. As you can see in here, there's no more home button beside your search bar on Google Chrome. To show it, you can go to settings. So you can select on the three dots over here. You can hover your cursor to settings, click on settings. From settings, you can go to appearance and you'll find there is an option show home button. So by default, this feature is disabled. You can enable this feature by tap on the toggle in here. So now you can see here's the home button on your uh, Google Chrome page. Now, if maybe you open your any website, now you want to go back to your home, you can just select on home button like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to enable, how to add home button to your Chrome. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.